Imagine a vast, open world, the Mammoth Steppe, stretching across the northern hemisphere during the last ice age. This was no barren wasteland, but a sprawling grassland teeming with life. Great herds of animals roamed under a crisp, cold sky, the sun casting long shadows across endless plains. The ground was locked in permafrost, preventing forests and allowing grasses, herbs, and hardy flowers to thrive. This unique mix of cold, dryness, and abundant food supported enormous populations of large mammals. Woolly mammoths, rhinoceroses, ancient bison, and wild horses grazed together, while predators like cave lions, dire wolves, and giant short-faced bears stalked the shadows. It was a world of giants, a place of constant struggle and breathtaking natural wonder. Today, the silence of the Arctic belies the vibrant symphony of life that once filled these plains. If we could travel back, we'd hear the rumble of mammoth herds, the calls of birds, and the howls of wolves. The Mammoth Steppe was a dynamic, powerful ecosystem, now vanished, replaced by tundra and forest. Its disappearance marked a fundamental change in the story of life on Earth. The kingdom of the woolly mammoth is gone, but its legacy endures in the frozen ground beneath our feet. The echoes of this lost world still shape our understanding of the past. The Mammoth Steppe reminds us how quickly climates and entire worlds can change. Its story is a warning and an invitation to imagine what once was. The age of giants may be gone, but its lessons remain. Out of this frozen world walked a true giant, the woolly mammoth. Standing up to 11 feet tall and weighing over 6 tons, it was a formidable presence. Its shaggy coat was made of 2 layers, a dense undercoat for insulation and long guard hairs for protection. The color ranged from blonde to dark brown, perhaps offering camouflage on the steppe. A large hump on its shoulders stored fat for the harsh winters and anchored powerful muscles for its massive head and tusks. Beneath the skin, a thick layer of fat, up to 10 centimeters, provided further insulation, much like blubber in whales. Even its blood was adapted, with special hemoglobin that released oxygen at low temperatures. Every part of the mammoth was engineered for survival in the Ice Age. Its unique profile, from domed head to sloping back, made it instantly recognizable. The woolly mammoth was not a relic, but a triumph of evolution. It dominated its landscape for hundreds of thousands of years. The mammoth's adaptations were a masterpiece of natural engineering. In every way, it was built for the cold and for the challenges of its time. The woolly mammoth remains an icon of the Ice Age. The woolly mammoth's most dramatic feature was its enormous curving tusks, overgrown incisor teeth that grew throughout its life. In large males, tusks could reach over 4 meters, curving upward and inward, a clear sign of age and dominance. These tusks were essential tools, plowing snow to reach buried grasses, breaking ice for water, and stripping bark from trees. Fossilized tusks show wear patterns, direct evidence of their use in foraging. They were also formidable weapons, defending against predators and rivals. Bulls locked tusks in epic battles for mating rights. The tusks were an extension of the mammoth itself, integrated into every aspect of survival. Their size and complexity speak to their importance. Without them, the mammoth would not have thrived. Evolution invested heavily in these tools, making them central to the mammoth's reign. The tusks were the mammoth's signature, its legacy in ivory and bone. The woolly mammoth's body was a marvel of cold-weather engineering. Small fur-covered ears and a short tail minimized heat loss, unlike the large ears of African elephants. Even its trunk was adapted, with 2 finger-like projections for precise foraging. The trunk and body were covered in shaggy hair, protecting against frostbite. Broad padded feet acted like natural snowshoes, distributing weight and providing grip on ice and snow. Every detail, from cracked soles to specialized skin flaps, was fine-tuned for survival in a freezer. The mammoth was not just living in the cold, it was built from the cold. Its adaptations made it a true Ice Age survivor. Woolly mammoths were highly social, living in matriarchal herds led by experienced females. The matriarch's knowledge of migration routes and survival strategies was vital for the group. Herd life offered protection. Adults formed defensive circles around vulnerable calves, presenting a wall of tusks to predators. Family bonds were strong, with communication through deep, rumbling calls that could travel for miles. Mammoths likely mourned their dead and cared for the sick, showing social intelligence similar to modern elephants. Adult males left the herd upon maturity, living alone or in bachelor groups, competing for mates during the breeding season. This social structure ensured genetic diversity and survival across vast ranges. The mammoth's world was rich in relationships and shared history. Their social lives were as complex as their frozen world. The herd was the heart of mammoth society. For millennia, woolly mammoths dominated the northern hemisphere, but around 10,000 years ago, they vanished. The end of the Ice Age brought rapid warming, melting ice sheets and transforming grasslands into forests. The mammoth's food sources dwindled as permafrost thawed and forests replaced open steppe. At the same time, modern humans spread across their range, skilled in cooperative hunting. Archaeological sites reveal evidence of mammoth hunts and ancient art depicting these giants. Climate change fragmented mammoth populations, while human hunting delivered the final blow. A few survived on Wrangel Island until about 4,000 years ago, but eventually, even they disappeared. The world fell silent. The age of giants was over. The mammoth's extinction was a turning point in Earth's history. Their loss still echoes in the frozen north. Though gone, the woolly mammoth is far from forgotten. Permafrost acts as a natural freezer, preserving entire mammoth carcasses, skin, hair, and even organs. These discoveries offer a time capsule, revealing diet, life history, and even the last meals of these giants. The layers of their tusks record their life stories, age, diet, migrations, and more. The baby mammoth Liuba, found in 2007, is the most complete specimen, providing invaluable insights into mammoth development. Scientists have even recovered fragments of mammoth DNA from these remains. In 2008, a large portion of the mammoth genome was sequenced, unlocking the secrets of their adaptations. This genetic blueprint holds the key to their unique traits, and to the possibility of resurrection. The permafrost preserves not just bodies, but the hope of bringing mammoths back. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding, and perhaps reviving, the lost giants. The idea of resurrecting the woolly mammoth is moving from science fiction to reality. This field, called de-extinction, aims to use recovered mammoth DNA to bring the species back. Scientists compare mammoth and Asian elephant genomes, identifying genes for cold adaptation. Using CRISPR, they edit these genes into elephant cells, creating hybrid embryos. The next challenge, growing these embryos, either in elephant surrogates or artificial wombs. Artificial wombs could avoid ethical issues and risks to living elephants. The journey is long and complex, but each step brings us closer to hearing the mammoths roar again. The quest to revive the mammoth is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. Bringing back the woolly mammoth raises profound questions. Should we do it? And why? Proponents argue it's not just about curiosity, but about restoring lost ecosystems and fighting climate change. The vision is called Pleistocene rewilding, reintroducing large herbivores to maintain grasslands and keep permafrost frozen. Mammoths would trample snow, clear moss, and help lock away greenhouse gases. This could slow permafrost thaw and reduce carbon emissions. But there are ethical and ecological challenges. Would these engineered animals truly be mammoths, and how would they fit into today's world? The science is advancing, and the dream of seeing mammoths roam again is closer than ever. The return of the mammoth could mark a new chapter in our relationship with nature. It's a chance to restore wonders we've lost, and to shape the future of our planet. The age of giants may rise again, not as a memory, but as a living legacy.